Okay, we're recording. It's me, Milo. Say hello, buddy. Over here's Mama. Look, over here. There's Daddy. Milo, right here. No, I was just kidding. Baby, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. We just found the most beautiful spot. You would not even believe it. Are you ready? Okay, wait. Here it comes. Oh, it won't change. You're at the door. Okay, you're gonna have to get some of me then. What? What? Okay, check this out. Pretty fucking cool, huh? Me and Milo just discovered this spot, and it's like 20 minutes from my house. I mean, all this fucking time we've been scrounging freaking and there, way up there, there's a rig. What? How did you get down here? When? And how long did it take you? Yesterday? Anyway, that was pretty cool. Philo, there's my boy. He's been in the fucker. We've been swimming. I mean, there's like big ass holes like that have, I mean, shit, I was up chest deep. For real. And yes, I am a certified life instructor. What? Yeah, I mean, it's kind of old, but I'm so happy that he's happy. Dale's not with us because he's working a full 24-hour shift. He went in at 4 o'clock p.m., which he usually goes at 4 a.m., and he's going to be there in Stockton. Ew, sickle. It's like the murder capital of the world, you know? I don't know why I always look over here. Why? Am I... What? I can't even... Wait, what? What? A sphincter says. What? Who told you that, and why are you telling me? I need to look at something. Look. What's Milo sphincter saying? Hi, buddy. Is he just happy? Is he just happy? He's sniffing around. Milo. He's my best friend. He's my best friend. Anyway, I thought I would share this beautiful moment with y'all. Because we needed this so much. And it is just cleared out a million cobwebs. And, well, for Milo's, it just added a whole bunch. All over his face. What? No. The only thing I can tell you, it's kind of, well, a little bit negative about it. And it's certainly not home brewed by me. Is that I keep wondering when the moment of terror is going to begin, you know? That crazed lunatic that's going to come hacking at us like, what? There, here it is. It's coming. I knew it. What, you know? Thanks, Hollywood. Thanks, terrorists. Come on. I've been thinking of this stuff a lot longer than it's been made in movies. Just kidding. Wait, look. Really weird? Oh my god, I'm so happy. What? Oh my god, I'm so happy. What? Anyway.